Hello DirectAdmin lovers, today I'll be showing you how you can install a PHP script in your DirectAdmin. To get started, make sure you log into your DirectAdmin. First, we want to upload our script, okay? So go to File Manager. I want to upload my script in a subdomain here. So I go to Domains, and inside the domains, I have my subdomains or all my domains here. If you want to upload it to your primary or your main domain name, you see your domain name listed here. Just double click on it. Go to public_HTML. Double click on it. And you should see this content. Okay, so just delete everything and then upload it here. But I'm not going to upload my website here. I'm only showing you where you should go to upload your website. Okay, go back and go back to the public_HTML again, and let me show you this. Just scroll down and you should see public_HTML. So if you're uploading into your primary domain or on your primary domain, just click on the public_HTML and it will take you to the same page. But if you have subdomains, this is where you should see that. So just click on it once and all your subdomains will appear. I'm installing on a subdomain called my website.my domain name. So all I need to do is just click on my left hand side to open it, okay, just like this, and I'm going to upload it inside here. I have changed my mind, so I'm now going to install it on my primary domain and not a subdomain. Okay, so sorry for that. Go to public_HTML and we're going to install it here. All right, so I'll delete everything and remove. Fantastic. So now we don't have content here. We're now going to install our domain name, our script, or we're going to upload our script here. So to upload your script, just click on upload files and we're going to navigate to wherever we have our script, and this is where my script is. So I'm going to extract it. I use Linux, so I have to extract it first. So I'll extract it Ubuntu, not Linux. I use Ubuntu Linux, so that's come here and open it. Well, you should zip this first. So this is where the content of your the core files are. So I'll go back, open, and I'm going to zip this or compress. I'm going to archive it, create archive, successfully created. So I'll go back and I now have this zip, so I'll pick it and upload. Click on upload. Wait patiently for this file to be uploaded. Now while we wait, let's go and create our database. So I'll duplicate this page, go back to your dashboard, your DirectAdmin dashboard, click on databases, and we're going to create our database here. So first, enter your database name. So I'll click and enter something like script. Okay, so just enter script db, that's script database. After that, just click on create. Okay, because there's no need entering our user, because our user is going to be the same as our database name. But if you want to specify your database user, you can simply modify this by you remove it and put script user. Up is clear. If you want to have different name, database username, you can specify that here, but I want to have the same name as my database. And the password, make sure you copy this password somewhere, because you need this to connect your script or to complete the installation. Without this, it's not possible. Now that we are done with that, just scroll down a bit and click on create. And this is the our MariaDB version. So let's click on create. And our data is already here for us. Okay, so we didn't even have to copy that password. It's here already. Just make sure you leave it as it is, don't close it. Now let's go back to our upload page, and our script is still uploading. Okay, I have a poor connection today, that's why. So we wait for it to upload and then we continue the tutorial. Once the upload is complete, click on this done, close. Now we're going to extract the content inside this our zip file. So right click and click on extract. Click on extract. Go inside here, double click, and we're going to select everything. Click here and we're going to remove this and leave it as _public, sorry, /public _HTML. Click on move. If you want to copy, you copy. If you want to move, you move. But we're going to move it, so move. Let's go back one level. Okay, so go to our public _ again, and here we have our files. Okay, so now you can access your website by typing your website name. This is our database password, but we don't need it because it's already here. It's already here. So what we're going to do is we'll type our website name. Now I use this domain to show you guys, or to create hosting videos. If you want to learn how to start a hosting business from home and start signing up new users for them to be paying you monthly, now check my channel. I have a playlist full of hosting videos. Now click on it and you should see something like this. Right now our script has this install folder, so let's go back to your browser and make sure you put /install, hit enter, scroll down and click on I agree, next step, and PHP version 8.1 is required and we are using 8.3. so let's switch our version back to 8.1. so I'll take you here and click on PHP settings and then go to 8.1 and click on update. Let's go back to this page and recheck. All right, so we bypass that. Now next step, this is where we enter our database details. So enter your database name here. I'll simply take you here and copy our database name here. The name and the username are the same, so I'll just copy and paste here and here. Host is localhost, so type localhost because you see that it's here, localhost. Password, just copy that password here, come paste it here. Scroll down and enter your admin details. Now these are the details you'll be using to log in to your dashboard of your website. So just click and I'm going to put something like admin, and the password I'll put something like pass. So I'll put admin and pass as my login details. Email, enter it here. So this is the email I want to use. I've entered that. Now click on install now. Our script is successfully installed. Scroll down and we have to delete this installed folder. Okay, now you can close this page, it's no longer needed. So let me take you back to file manager. Click on file manager, go to your primary domain, or to your left you see public_html. Delete this folder. You can also rename it if you don't want, or if you're not sure for now. So just rename it to something else. So maybe something like _old. Okay, and click on rename. Now go back and click on go to website. Now if you still see this page, it's because of caching purposes. All right, you can open it with a different browser and your website should come live. This is because of caching. And our website is coming live because I use a VPN, the default VPN on Opera Mini. Okay, so just use a different browser and your script will your website will come live. And there you have it. Now to log in, just put /admin every script and then their admin path, but this is the my admin URL. Enter my username and password. Remember, scroll down and invalid recapture key. Let me show you quickly how to maybe remove that in case you have this error. Okay, you can't even proceed to log in because our script came with its own recapture key and then there are invalid keys. So the way we remove that is here. Right now you can now close this. It's no longer needed. Look for PHP my admin, click on it, PHP my admin, and it's going to give us access to our databases so we can edit them. Pick our database. Sorry for my internet connection. Okay, now go to extensions, look for recapture keys, Google recapture. Right, click on edit, scroll down and you should see your recapture keys here. Now let me see. Okay, so the status right now is 2. Let's set it to 1, 0. Let's see, I can't remember the. Okay, so let me set it to 0 and then check it again. Okay, so 0 will disable your recapture. Now this will give you access to log in successfully without that recapture thing. And we are logged in. To read or to enable that recapture back, just go to settings. All right, go to extensions, which is here, and you can now enable your recapture here once again by putting a valid recapture key, something like Google recapture, putting valid recapture keys here and then submitting them. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. That's how you install a PHP script on DirectAdmin. If you want to start your own hosting business on DirectAdmin, using DirectAdmin as a control panel, check the video or check my channel, check my playlist, my web hosting playlist, and then you get a lot of business ideas, web hosting ideas. Thank you for watching. Hoping to catch you in that video. Take care.